Hello friends, coming to the next question of the series Your Questions Answered. We received a question from Mahim Nandan. He asks, Sir, is low academic performance hamper our SSB recommendations for Air Force or Navy? Please sir clarify this doubt. Will they not recommend you if you have low marks throughout the academic life? Hope you will clarify. Thank you. Mahim Nandan, it is not at all true that if you have low academic marks, then you have no chance of getting recommended. If that were the case, then let me tell you 90% of officers who are already recommended would not have been. Do we want only scholars? No. But why you got those low marks is equally important. If you have been drinking your time away, spoiling everything, not done anything in life, failed exams and then got low mark, of course it will hamper your performance. But let me tell you a small example here. There was a boy who had come for an interview. He was in his 10th standard when he lost his father. He had a younger brother who was in 8th standard. Now, because of the financial conditions, these two boys had to work for a living. Their mother was illiterate and doing household chores to earn some money. These two boys in 10th standard and 8th standard, they went around in the afternoon after school selling ice cream on a cycle. Now he completed 10th by getting around 60%. After that, he felt that his brother should study in a good school, for which lot of money was required again. This boy took up a job as a security guard and worked in the night as security guard, went to school in the morning, in the afternoon sold ice cream on the cycle along with his younger brother. In 12th, this boy again scored around 55% marks. And his younger brother continued his education. After doing this boy has done some graduation, kept working on, scoring low marks throughout his life. Now, does this effort by him can go ignored? So, low marks is justified here. Similarly, whatever is your reason, what has happened has happened. Now, can you change that? What you have learned from the mistakes that you have committed and how you are not repeating those mistakes again and learning from these mistakes to do better in future is what is more important. I hope we have addressed your question and the doubt which many of the candidates have. Having low marks is no criteria to get not recommended. If you are meeting the minimum marks criteria for that particular entry, you have sufficient marks and you have an equal chance to any person who has got 90, 95 or even 100% marks. So, do not worry if you have low marks. If you meet the criteria, just understand why you have that low marks and what you have learned from it. Do keep watching and share the videos, like and subscribe as well. Click on the bell icon. Also, I would like to tell you that you can join the Blue OG White Academy Telegram channel where we keep sharing lot of valuable inputs and material by which you can prepare better. Thank you. Jai Hind.